I'm going to teach you Carl Jung's mirror technique that will make others reveal their true intentions without asking. In psychology, there is something called active listening, which is when you listen intently to what someone says and then respond accordingly. For example, if they tell you that they are angry, you may ask them why they are feeling this way. However, there is another type of listening that goes beyond simply hearing words. This is called reflective listening. This technique is very effective because it involves you reflecting on what the other person is saying. By doing this, you show that you are truly listening and that you care about what they have to say. You can use this technique to make others reveal their true intentions without asking. You can also use the mirror neuron system to your advantage by using this technique. The mirror neuron system is a group of neurons in the brain that fire both when you perform an action and when you see someone else perform the same action. For example, if you see someone smiling, the same neurons in your brain that would fire if you were smiling yourself also fire. This means that you can make others reveal their true intentions by mirroring their body language and behavior. When you mirror someone's body language, it creates a sense of rapport and connection with them. This is because it shows that you are paying attention to them and that you are interested in what they have to say. Additionally, it triggers the release of oxytocin, a hormone that is associated with bonding and trust. So you can use this technique to create a sense of trust with others and to make them more likely to open up to you. For example, let's say you are talking to someone and they cross their arms and legs. You can cross your arms and legs too, and they will feel more comfortable and open up to you. Or let's say you are talking to someone and they lean towards you. You can lean towards them as well, and they will feel more connected with you and be more likely to share things with you. And if you want to go one step further, you can try using the same tone of voice that the other person is using. This is called vocal mirroring, and it can help you to build rapport with the other person. Vocal mirroring has been shown to increase feelings of empathy and understanding between people. It can also help you to build trust and rapport with the other person. This is because it shows that you are paying attention to them and that you care about what they have to say. For example, let's say you are talking to someone and they are speaking in a low tone of voice. You can speak in a low tone of voice as well. They will feel more understood and connected with you and be more likely to open up to you. Or let's say you are talking to someone and they are speaking in a high tone of voice. You can speak in a high tone of voice as well, and they will feel more excited and enthusiastic and be more likely to share things with you. This is how you can make others reveal their true intentions using Carl Jung's mirror technique. By reflecting on what others say and mirroring their body language and tone of voice, you can create a sense of rapport and connection with them. This will make them more likely to open up to you and reveal their true intentions. Now I am going to give you 8 examples of questions you can ask to make others reveal their true intentions without asking. First, you should focus on understanding their perspective. This will help you to see things from their point of view and understand why they might be acting in a certain way. To do this, you can ask questions like, what do you think about this situation? Or how do you feel about it? By asking these questions, you show that you are interested in their opinion and that you value their input. This will help you to see things from their perspective and understand why they might be acting in a certain way. Next, you should pay attention to their body language. This can tell you a lot about how they really feel. Are their actions consistent with what they are saying? Do they seem relaxed or are they tense? By paying attention to their body language, you can get a better sense of their true intentions. Next, you should look for any signs of deception. Are they avoiding eye contact? Are they being vague in their answers? If you notice any signs of deception, it may be a good idea to press them further. But it is important to do this delicately, so that you do want to make them feel cornered or attacked. Finally, you should trust your gut. If you have a bad feeling about something, then there may be a reason for it. Don't ignore your intuition. These 4 tips will help you to better understand the people around you and make them reveal their true intentions without asking. And now I am going to give you 8 questions you can ask to make others reveal their true intentions without asking. No one. What's the most important thing to you right now? This question will help you to understand their priorities and what they are focused on at the moment. By knowing what is important to them, you will be able to better understand their decision-making process and predict how they might react in certain situations. No. 2. What's your ideal day look like? Asking about their ideal day will give you insight into what they value and what they enjoy doing. This can help you to plan activities that they will appreciate and make them feel happy. You may also learn about their hobbies and interests, which can help you to bond with them over shared activities. 3. What are you most passionate about? This question will help you to identify what they are most excited about and what they care deeply about. Their passion may provide clues about their motivations and what drives them. It can also help you to find common ground and engage in meaningful conversations. Number 4. Who do you admire the most and why? The answer to this question can reveal a lot about their values and what they find admirable in others. This can help you to understand their decision-making process and predict how they might behave in certain situations. You may also learn about their role models and what qualities they look up to in others. 5. What's the biggest challenge you've overcome? Asking this question will give you insight into their resilience and problem-solving abilities. Their response can also reveal their values and priorities, as well as their ability to reflect on their experiences and learn from them. Understanding their challenges and how they overcame them can help you to build trust and rapport with them. What's the best compliment you've ever received? This question will help you to understand what they value and what they think is important. It can also give you insight into their personality and how they view themselves. The best compliment they have received may reveal their strengths and positive qualities, as well as the qualities they admire in others. Number 7. What does friendship mean to you? This question will help you to understand their values and what they prioritize in their relationships. Their response can also give you insight into their communication style and how they express themselves emotionally. Understanding their perspective on friendship can help you to build stronger bonds with them and provide you with valuable relationship advice. 8. What's your dream for the future? Asking about their dreams for the future can help you to understand their aspirations and what they value. Their response can also give you insight into their goals and how they plan to achieve them. Understanding their dreams can help you to support them in achieving their goals and make them feel valued and appreciated. These 8 questions will help you to make others reveal their true intentions without asking. By asking these questions, you will be able to better understand their motivations and decision-making processes. This can help you to improve your relationships with others and make them feel heard and understood. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and subscribe. Thank you for watching.